So, guys, you might be wondering how I ended up like this. That's how I said, let me be lazy because I was too tired and I asked my friend to help me out to help me with this particular process after braiding my hair. And that's so my eyes see what I collect. So, you people are going to be seeing what we post online versus the real life, like reality, what actually happens behind the camera.
Who said you say I no good nice if I be hairdresser?
Hey, wait. Give me. Hey. Oh, my scalp. This thing.
I'm not even close to your
I know,
scalp.
yes, don't ever pick wait, it's hurting me.
Okay,
Ah,
sorry.
your hair is so hot. Jesus, Gigi, you actually poured it on my hair.
Are you kidding me? Are you pouring
Yes,
on
you said
me?
you are not close to this thing now.
I'm not close to what?
It's okay. You poured it on my scalp.
I did not pour it on your scalp.
This side is wet now. You're not supposed to get to this side. Hold it on my
What side?
scalp. This side I'm touching.
This side?
Yes.
This that you're touching?
Hey now, see. Is it not wet?
It is wet, but the water didn't touch this part of your head.
See now, it touched my
It
scalp.
not touch your scalp. Water don't touch your scalp. It's the heat.
Will you don't get to this part, please. I'll use towel to do that side. Just the lower part.
Okay.
Yes,
Bye,
thank you.
baby.
They don't burn my head.
Your fans will see that you're a crybaby. You don't start again. Big give on your head.
You don't burn my head. Did you want all this one that? Don't come up again because I'm
Don't
going
worry,
myself.
I'm using my hand to demarcate it.
Hey, no, don't come up. Don't come up. Don't
I
come
said
up.
I'm using my hand to demarcate it.
Hey, I'm saying still, don't come up, Sha. Don't come to this side, please.
Yeah. I get what you're trying to say. I'm holding
Yeah.
it and the part I'm holding to not go back up. The
Okay.
heat is also burning my hand, so I get why.
Hey, take care of this thing. I give you small solution. You need it. It's okay, you can just dip it in the. Don't use that one again.
I cannot use this again.
Don't use it again.
It's not even close to.
Don't use it again. The heat.
Okay, so what do you want to do
It's
now?
true, it's the heat. This thing. They touch something when they touch my head.
I don't want you to drop the floor.
Ah,
So what do you want me to do now? Ow.
Bele. You don't reach the down part. The down part soak well.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, clean down. My head. Clean it from the up downwards so that it will not coil at the down. You be stylish. And you know everything.
I have sisters.
Oh, well done, brother.
No, exactly.
Feel like I'm raising up my head.
Yes, you can.
But you're too hard on my head.
What do you expect? The heat burns my hand.
Really? Sorry. Now imagine my own scalp when just speak
No
here.
best, no best.
Hi.
No best.
Now I know me the water boil like that.
And I did tell you, water don't boil, you know answer.
Thank you. Did you down part coil?
No.
Thank God.
So, guys, after experiencing this, I don't think I'll ever try this again. If the person is not a professional hairstylist, no way. There's no way I'm doing this again. Never. Never in my life. So, look at the beautiful hair that made me got heat burn on my scalp. Okay? But, anyways, after I was done with that part and, seeing my hair that came out really nice, like made by yours truly, Alice, okay? I forgot about the pain I went through, but yeah, this is it. This is how it is. I mean, beauty is pain. Beauty in a pain. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye.